Guys, if you're looking for an electric kettle that's simple pero classy, check this out, the Xiaomi Mijia Electric Kettle. Ang ganda ng design niya, super minimalist and clean, bagay sa kahit anong kitchen aesthetic. May 1.5 liter capacity pa, so perfect for coffee, tea, or ramen nights. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-boil ng paulit-ulit. Made with 304 stainless steel, seamless, easy to clean, at food safe pa. Tapos may auto power off and anti-shock feature. Safe gamitin kahit everyday. Kaya naman check out na sa Yellow Basket and follow for more!